meters, so it'll be neat to have that. Hopefully to get the second dome going too, Craig. Here I've got a 10-footer all steel aluminum dome that's empty in there, and I got to finish mount the LX850 in there, which I haven't done at all. I've been slacking off at home here, but putting a lot of work at work instead of, so that's why you haven't seen me broadcast too much. But we're going to get back in the swing of thing for sure. There's so many things happening all at the same time here. Like, I mean, the construction of the new building for the new Madeline shop, observatories being built. Like, I mean, it's and new products coming out. It's sometimes overwhelming, but hey, that's what keeps everybody going and happy. And one more reason to get up early in the morning at 3 o'clock to go to work. Gotta love it. I think I'm going to be pulling the plug here while the clouds are more or less on and off here. And I'm going to install the SSI, take a few pictures, and post that on the Madeline group later. And hopefully that will be able to show you what the sensor could do as an imager. I find that the MC Signature is more of a live camera, as we could see here. And the SSI, of course, is a real imager, although it does also live, but not on NSN. The flash player doesn't handle that. Joe, by the way, which camera do you have? Is it the Extreme or the X2 or any other ones, by the way, Joe? Joe and you, okay, X2 coming tomorrow. All right, sounds good. Very good. This is what I'm going to be using tonight, Joe. I've got an X2 here as well. I actually got a, oh, good stuff. Joe, is it the Junior or the Junior Pro that you have, Joe? Okay, I like that little camera. I really, really like that smaller Junior. It's so quick and easy to use, and lightweight, and quite portable. Okay, Joe, if it's the case, you're going to be in for a shock when you get the X2. The X2's got the ultimate cooler in it. It's all copper made inside for the cooling system. And the cooler runs much cooler as well because of the copper system. And I think you're going to like that quite a lot. But it requires a lot more adjustments, though. That's one thing you're going to figure out. And all I ask from you, Joe, is to have patience to get the right adjustments. But once you do, usually you don't touch the camera anymore. And I'd be more than glad to help you out live here on the NSN, which I'm going to be starting to do more and more often. I used to be on here just about every night, and past year since I moved, I haven't because the observatories weren't ready. So now they're getting ready, and we'll be able to help you out with that. And I think a lot of people will be able to help you out. That's what I'll have on tonight, the X2, with the EX View had sensor. And we'll be able to look at some of the deep sky targets. I usually keep the crappiest sensors for me to do experiments and to do tests of various circuits and stuff. But this time I've got a sensor that's not too bad. I decided to keep for myself and to do further tests with that. Because anything that's class 3 and up, we don't put them in. Class 2 and up, class 2 usually goes in the Madeline Junior Pro, and class 1s and class 0s goes only in the high-end cameras. It's pretty well what you pay for. At least we do put our own camera, our own CCDs in the cameras as part of the assembly. The high-end one, as the old saying goes, you pay what you get for it. That is for sure. After all, it's about live observing. I don't know if you plan to do any imaging with that, Joe, but the fact remains that these cameras are made for live observing, and probably going to be on at 8 o'clock, hopefully, Joe. So hopefully.